Here the difference between work and power is given. Work is force into distance. Power is work divided by time. Work is not depending upon time, so there is no time in this formula. But power is depending upon time, so there is a time dependent. Unit of work is joule, whereas power unit is watt. Then there is difference between energy and power. Energy is the capacity to do work, whereas power is the rate of doing work, means work done upon time. Whereas energy I can write as half mv square also, mgh also, fs also, any formula I can use. So energy is directly proportional to time, because more the time I take, more the energy is being conserved. Whereas if I talk about power, it is inversely proportional. It is 1 upon t. Whereas energy is directly proportional to time. Means more time will I take, more energy I consume. But here is more time I take, less power I consume. So this is inversely, it is directly. SI unit of energy is joule, whereas power is watt. Energy can be half mv square, whereas power is work upon time. So there are some numericals. A force of 100 Newton. So force is already given and distance is given. So force's distance is given, mean work done we have to find out. Find the work done by the force. Work done is equal to force into distance, means 100 into 2. 100 into 2 means 200 joule. A labor lift a bag of 100 kg, mean it is mass. A height of, it is height means 4 meter. If mass and height is given, means we have to calculate potential energy. Calculate the work done for accelerating the gravity at 10 meter per second. So gravity is also given. So we have given mass also, height also, and gravity also. If we remember, this was concerned with potential energy. So potential energy will be mgh. So they are talking about work done. So work and energy are the same. So I can see work is also mgh. Work can also write in mgh, potential energy also mgh. So work done is equal to mgh. Mass is 100, height is 4. So 100 into 4 into gravity is 10. So 10 fours are 400. 400 into 10 means 4000. So it comes out to be 4000 joule. Then another question is, a water tank capacity of 200 grams, means mass is given, height 20 meter. What is the potential energy when G is 10 Newton kg? So G is given 10 Newton kg. So M is also given, H is also given, G is equal. So potential is equal to mgh. Mass is 200, G is 10 and H is height. So this is H, this is G and this is M. So 2 2s are 4 and there are 1 2 3 4. So here will come 4 zeros. They have not drawn it. 2 2s are 4, 1 2 3 4 zeros are there. So 4 zeros. So that is your potential energy. The next question is, Pooja take a suitcase of mass 10 kg from a height 4 to 8. Now they are having height different. Find the Pooja has in the potential energy in the case of, they are asking what is the potential energy of the case when it is converting, height is changing. So we have to see the change in potential energy, means mgh2 minus mgh1, because height 2 is greater, that's why h2 minus h1. So M will also, we have taken out the common, M is common, G is common, only H2 minus H1 will be there. So mass is 10, G is always taken as 10 because they always take for easy calculation, and height is 8 minus 4, 4. So 4 into 100, 400 joule. Next is a toy car of mass. So M is given, moving with the speed. Now speed is given, means V is given, means we have to find out kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Mass is 30. V means 5 ka square. 5 ka square means 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. So half into 30 into 25. 2 1s are 2. 2 15s are 30. So 15 into 25 is equal to 375 joule. Then they are asking find the change in kinetic energy. Same. If I have taken out change in potential energy, same kinetic energy half mv square. So they are saying from 50 to 60. So we always write the greater one first. So V2 minus V1. So half is common, M is common. V2 square minus V1 ka square, half into mass is 100. So they have written 1000, but it is 100. 100, so 100 v square means 60 का square minus 50 square. 60 square मतलब 60 into 60 minus 50 into 50. 60 60 6 6 are 36, 3600 minus 5 5 is 25, 2500. So 3600 minus 2500 will be 1100. Because they have given 100, I don't know, they have written 1000 here. Why? Might be here also 1000 will be there. Printing mistake will be there. So it will be 1.5 into 100 into 1100. So if we cancel out 2 1s are 2, 2 50s are 11 5s are 55, 1 2 3 0. So 30 will be there. Next is a railway porter carrying 6000 joule. So the joule is given, meaning work done is already given. Work done is given 6000 joule in 5 minutes. So time is given 5 minutes. So 5 minutes means we have to convert into seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 5 into 60. Carrying a luggage, how much power of the porter is there? Power is equal to work done upon time. Work done is 6000 and time is 5 into 60. That come out to be 20 watt. Means 6000 upon 6 5s are 30. So 1 0 will go 0, 1 0 will go 0. So 3 2 are 6. So 20 watt will be the answer. A monobank is using to lift 1000 kg. So it is given mass of height 60 meter. They have given height for 2 minutes. So they have given time also. They are saying calculate the work done, potential energy and the power. Work done is mgh. So potential energy will also be remain same because work done and potential energy will also same because work done and energy are same. So we can have the same formula. So mgh, mass is 1000. G is always taken as 10 and height is 60. So it comes out to be 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Divided by time. Time is 2 minutes. 2 into 60. 1 0 will go 0. 6 1 2 3 4 and with 2 2 3 4 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 0 3. So it come out to be 5000. They have written here wrong. So it come out to be 6 with 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. I don't know why there is lot of misprinting. So this will be your answer. So with this your chapter is over.